All right, just want to show off my apartment slash hotel at the Hotel Dix. It's actually an apartment. As you can see, I actually have a kitchen, a laundry room, a living room. This is the first bathroom. This is the guest room, 2 bedrooms. Trying to light here. So 2 bedrooms, a TV, and towels. Bathroom here. So next, show you guys the master bedroom. So I got 1 bed here, TV. Same thing, extra towels, the bathroom, all that good stuff. Yep, so this is the new room that they've created. This is the penthouse of this hotel. And right outside it is the actual jacuzzi.